Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva inside ChatGPT through the use of a plugin. Now you will see in this example, I am on ChatGPT Plus, and you have to have ChatGPT Plus in order to use plugins. So just want to call that out. So to install the Canva plugin and start using Canva on ChatGPT, what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to click this option with the 3 lines next to my email. And once I do that, I'm going to click Settings and Beta. And then here I'm going to click Beta Features. And then I'm going to click Plugins. And now I have enabled plugins on ChatGPT. So I'm going to click the X button here. And if I hover over GPT-4, I can click Plugins here. It says Beta, but there are still various plugins that are working. So I'm going to click Plugins. And you'll see it says no plugins enabled. I'm going to click the drop down here, and then I'm going to click Plugin Store. And then once I'm on the Plugin Store, I'm simply going to type in Canva. And right away, you'll see there's an option here for Canva. I'm going to click Install. And once I've installed the Canva plugin, I'm going to X out of this. And you'll see here now, it's Canva. The Canva plugin is enabled for ChatGPT. All right, guys, so after I've installed and enabled the ChatGPT Plus plugin, I'm going to come down here and just ask it a simple prompt. Please create me a YouTube thumbnail. See if I can type here. Please create me a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled Best ChatGPT Prompts. And then I'm going to click Enter. And I'm very curious to see what this Canva plugin on ChatGPT can produce. So you're going to have to wait a few seconds here while it is working in the background. But right here, here it just gave me a YouTube thumbnail that I can now plug and play with. And it's going to give me some other templates here too. So guys, I'm going to wait, a minute or two while this Canva plugin inside ChatGPT is giving me these YouTube thumbnails. And I'm going to fast forward when all of these are complete. All right, so after fast forwarding here, let's go through some of these and see what the Canva plugin produced. So based on the prompt, please create me a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled Best ChatGPT Prompts. I'm going to scroll down and it gave me 5 options here. Not terrible. This one's not bad. You see a lot of these, not bad. I like this one probably the most so far. This one's not bad either. So guys, the benefit of using this Canva ChatGPT plugin, you might ask, well, why don't I just go to Canva and search for that? Well, the benefit is you can prompt ChatGPT, and by prompting ChatGPT, Canva's going to produce results based on what you ask it. You can go to Canva in the search bar and type in things, but that's the benefit of using this plugin is you can prompt it specific details. But guys, let's say I want to use this one for a thumbnail. The best part is I can click Use This Template, and then it comes over and it opens up Canva in a new tab. And now I can simply edit this. I can plug and play, add my own images, my own colors, and whatever other customization aspects I want to do just from using this ChatGPT Canva plugin. But that's it, guys. That is just a very quick video on how you can install and use the Canva ChatGPT plugin. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you all watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this quick video helped you out. Guys, I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.